My friends, today we are talking about how to make 5K a month in your coaching business with your group programs and what video to use to attract clients and achieve your financial goals. So let's calculate how many clients we need to attract, how much money we need to make, and let's go to the math method. My name is Voyevoda. I'm a business and brand creator, and I help women entrepreneurs to brand their brilliance, to build the business of their dreams, and to brand themselves with video powerfully and quickly so that they can attract ideal clients with no problems at all. So if you want to know how do I do it, please subscribe to this channel, follow these videos, and you will know a lot more, or just PM me and let's work together. So let's go without the fluff. So in the previous video, we did calculate that to make 5K profit a month, you need to make 100K a year or more. So having this calculation in mind, we are going to follow the next calculation for your group programs. And if you still don't know why you have to make 100K a year to make 5K profit a month, please watch the previous video and know all exact calculations. So to talk about the group program, we need to set up the price. Definitely your price can be anything else, but in my case, to just make the simple calculation, I will take the 5K package price for the group program, which means every participant will pay 5K to participate in your group coaching program. It can be less in your case, it can be more in your case, it depends on your program, but with 5K it will be easier for me to show you the examples of calculation. So when we have 5K package, you need to attract 10 people to your group program to make 50K, which means 2 launches per year. Or you need to attract 5 people to your group and make 25K in 4 launches per year. It's really important calculation to understand how many people you will have in your group, so that will be relevant to your price point, and how many launches you will need to create, because it's also time consuming and emotionally consuming, and it depends how long program do you have. So if your program is, for example, 6 months long, you will not be able to create 4 launches a year, or it will be difficult for you because half of the people will still learn in your previous program. So if you have the program which is just 4 months long, it also can be confusing. So that means that if you want to create 4 launches per year, your program has to be approximately 3 months long. Back to the previous calculation, to attract 10 people with 10% conversion rate on your discovery calls, you will need to talk to 100 people. And to attract 100 people to your discovery calls, you will need to talk to 1,000 or 10,000 people in your ads and your free promotional organic posts in the group. So you really need to be known to approximately 10,000 people with your message to get this many clients. So we can talk about the promotion, paid promotion with ads. That will be easier, but when you talk with people more closely in the groups, you may get higher conversion rates because people know you, because you are more genuine, and it's frankly speaking easier to get conversions when you are genuine and vulnerable in the groups. So this is also a balance between how open you are and how much money you have in your budget to advertise for the cold leads. So how video can help you to get this client, increase your conversion rates, and become known to people even without having them on your discovery calls. So video has its own magic, because you know, when people watch you on video all the time, or sometimes they feel that they already know you. So video increases the trust factor, know, like, and trust factor, and therefore video can help you to increase the conversion conversion rates on your discovery calls. So let's analyze this situation with the group coaching from the video perspective using the math method. And I will remind you that math method, this is the method which I use to help my clients to brand their business really quickly. And math stands for mindset, audience, technology, hero journey, storytelling, and strategy. So we will talk about how this method can be applied to the videos for group coaching programs. So this will help you to make 5K a month in your business, in your coaching business with group programs, because when you add videos, you will speed up the process, you will help people to know you better, and then you will just need to attract lesser people to make this money. So let's analyze it from the perspective of math method. So what type of mindset do you need to have to attract people to your group coaching program? First of all, you really need to like it. So if you don't like group coaching, then don't start it at all. It's really important to have it in your hearts of hearts, the idea that group coaching is more effective than one-to-one coaching. If you want to attract people in your group, it's good if you already participated several group coaching programs, so you really know how does it work, and you really feel comfortable about delivering your knowledge in this format. From the perspective of the audience, your audience needs to know that you can create safe environment, that you are approachable person, that it's easy to them to talk to you in the group environment. It's really specific understanding. People will sense it based on your videos, based on the discovery calls. So if you want to show them this all, you really need to show it in videos. So how you creating this safe environment, how you can communicate and answer their questions. This all can be delivered through video. In terms of technology, when we talk about high-end packages like 5K, 10K and more, we are talking about more quality in video. And also, I would say about the holistic branding approach. So we really need to understand how our video complement all other mediums which we use in our communication. And this all has to be on brand, and this all has to be really relevant to our clients, so that it's all about the message, the clarity of the message which you deliver in your videos, because this time you have to attract people to the group, and it's a little bit different communication than in one-on-one case, because when we talk about one-on-one, people are related to you only, but in case of the group coaching, they expect there will be some other people, so they really need to be sure that you can lead the group of people. So position yourself as the leader in your videos. This will help you to get more clients because you will be more relevant as leader. In terms of the storytelling and hero journey, it's really important to be vulnerable. It's really important to open up in case of the group coaching, because people want to see you as a leader, not just a person who will push them somewhere, but also a person who had a similar experience, who had that pain in the past, who understand and able to be to have that compassion, empathy, and really lead them from the kindness perspective rather than push them through without even thinking about their emotions. So when we talk about the group coaching, the emotional aspect is really important. So many successful group coaching programs, when they were launched, this video were launched with plenty of very vulnerable, very emotional live videos. So if you will notice these campaigns, the leader, the coach was talking a lot about the life situations which happened in her life, and people were crying, laughing along with her, and really feel that very strong emotional connection with her, because her videos, and I'm talking right now not about the one person, I'm talking about plenty of successful coaches who launch in the group program. these women were really vulnerable and really open about things which were happening in their life, about the painful situations. So this is one of the methods when you can leverage a story and really get people into it, the people who felt the same way as you, or maybe feeling right now the same way as you did feel before. So in terms of the strategies, the best video which you can use to attract people to your group coaching program is basically video interviews or podcasts. So people can see how you communicate with other people, what kind of vibe do you set for these interviews. Also, the great type of video is when you show your teamwork, when you show behind the stage, when you show how you can organize the group coaching. In fact, when you show the previous experiences of people in the group coaching program. So these types of video will be really, really powerful. Also, as I mentioned before, live videos with the vulnerable story, inspirational story will be just a super key and super spicy sauce to all this story, because people really caught up on the emotional videos, and you know that it is difficult to lie on video unless you are a Hollywood actress or actor, and then in this situation it's a different story altogether. So you will not be able to lie on video. So when you become vulnerable, when you talk about the real emotions, people trust you a lot because they can see that you are involved in the situation, you really deeply care about them, about the cost, about their ideas that you can and won't help them. Now, one really important point to notice, if you attract people via the webinar, by the end of the story, if you're launching with the webinar, make sure that you are converting people via the discovery call, not just directly on the webinar, in case your price point is above $3,000. Because if you are not known as such, if you are not really big brand, then people will need to know you a little bit better. They would like to have the personal communication with you. So make sure that your conversion point is the discovery call, which means when you will create your webinar, you will lead people to the discovery call, and then you will see if they are the right fit for the program. Why so? You will also tell to people that you would like to see if people are right fit for the group which you are attracting to this program, because that's your responsibility to take people together and deliver them the best possible experience. So I hope it was useful, and you can share this video with somebody who needed just today. If you have any question, please comment below and please subscribe to our channel. I'll be happy to see your comments and have you in my tribe and really help you to run your coaching business successfully, so that if you want to make 5K every month in your coaching business, I'm absolutely sure that this calculation will help you to figure out how to do it. And in the next videos, we are going to talk about the membership sites as a different business model for coaching business, and we're going to discover how membership sites or masterminds can complement your one-on-one coaching program or group coaching program, and how to add the affiliate marketing to that as well, so that your coaching business can thrive and grow with no question at all. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.